Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe for more interesting videos. They say all great stories start with a sense of wonder. What if bringing those stories to life wasn't limited by our resources, but only by our imagination? Introducing Wonder Studio. Wonder Studio is a new AI-powered platform that makes it easy to create movies with CGI. Just select your actor and assign a character. The system uses AI to track the actor's performance across cuts and automatically animates lights and composes the CG character directly into the scene. Whether it's one shot or a full sequence, Wonder Studio analyzes and captures everything from body motion, lighting, compositing, camera motion, and even tracks the actor's facial performance. All you need is a camera. That's right, all you need is a camera. No expensive 3D software or hardware required, empowering artists. Filmmaking is a medium of creativity and collaboration between artists. There's no AI that can replace that. Wonder Studio was built to empower those artists while still keeping the existing 3D process in mind. Alongside the rendered results, Wonder Studio gives you the ability to export the individual layers you need to deliver your final visual effects shot. Whether it's lighting, camera, or animation, you can maintain full control and make detailed adjustments in 3D space. A tool for artists. From the paintbrush to the typewriter to the camera, tools have always been an extension of the artist, a means to help our voices be heard. With Wonder Studio, we hope the world hears yours. Sign up for the beta today. Wonder Studio is currently in beta. Sign up today to get early access and start bringing your stories to life. Grow Wonder Studio, where imagination is the only limit.